Hi, it's Mandy here for Chickadee magazine, and I'm here as part of a series that we're doing for National Science Reading Day. So what is National Science Reading Day? It's a day on September 21st where kids and classrooms across Canada are invited to celebrate by reading science-related materials. Let's get started by doing a science experiment together, and then after I'll tell you about an exciting contest that we're doing. So for this experiment, we're going to find out if a piece of paper can hold up a plastic cup. Let's get started. So for this experiment, we need 2 books of equal weight and size. We'll need 2 pieces of paper, and we'll need a plastic cup. So let's get started. We'll put the paper in between the books like a bridge. We'll put the paper in between, see if it works. It didn't work. So let's see if we can change the shape of the bridge. What if we folded it this way? Okay. Let's see. It held up. Check it out. So what happened there? Basically, paper can bend really easily, but if you change the shape of it, it's less easy to bend. And if you look at it from the sides, you can see that they are triangles. Triangles are one of the strongest shapes in nature. So next time you're out looking at buildings or bridges, you might notice a lot of triangles in the design. So you've made it to the end of the video, so I get to tell you about exciting news. So on September 21st, Owlkids is participating in a $3,500 book and magazine giveaway in celebration of National Science Reading Day. So all you have to do is grab a book about science. It could be nonfiction, it could be fiction, it can be a magazine, it can be a website, and all you have to do is tell us about what you read. You go to www.owlkids.com/science reading day. Tell us about what you read. If you're looking for suggestions, go to the contest page as well. Good luck and happy reading.